You made it to the conclusion of the course. Hopefully you got what you hoped to get from this course, and hopefully I've delivered what I promised and what you was hoping to get. So I'm not gonna keep you very long in this short video. I mean, the whole course was short, and I'm gonna keep this even shorter. I'm hoping you now know more than what you did about the field. I'm hoping you're excited, and I'm really hoping you are going to pursue it. All you have to do is weigh your options. There's no question about QA is awesome. There's no question about that, but you might have other options. So you weigh your options. Don't be scared of QA. Do more research. That's the most important thing. Do more research. If you're not convinced yet, one way or another, do some more research to help you decide more, right? There's a lot of material these days. Even talk to ChatGPT, have it explain things more, have it explain what to expect in this field, how to get into this field. Go to social media like LinkedIn and join some groups and follow people, see what the field is looking like, how excited are they, how is AI affecting us. AI is awesome. It's a beautiful future, really. I mean, there's all kinds of mixed feeling about that, but I think it's going to be interesting, and a lot of things are going to change, but I feel like it is going to make life a lot easier, our jobs a lot easier. So in terms of just QA, on just the current state, really consider automation. I try to show you the difference between manual and automation. I'm an automation. I've been in automation from the beginning, right? I did manual testing for like 2 months just as an internship, and I jumped right into automation because I'm a very technical guy naturally. But in the job market, automation really dominates. Most companies are moving from manual to automation. Like I said before, manual would always be there. Automation is not going to completely replace it, but there's way more automation. Way more companies are going into automation, and with AI is not going to help much with manual. It does help, right? It will create test cases and things like that, but a lot of it is going to be in automation, because automation is writing code. Was AI good at? Writing code. So automation is the future. It is the current and the future. So consider that. I'm biased towards automation. Obviously, I'm going to always push for automation. I have automation courses. I have a business teaching automation. So yes, I'm very much biased toward automation, but for a reason. And I'm not just being selfish or greedy. It really is true. Just look at the job market. So I want you to consider it. I want you to think about it. When you're thinking about getting into software testing, you have to be thinking about, oh, I'm going to upskill into automation. I'm going to get into automation. And another thing, my personal opinion, a strong opinion, is that you don't have to wait to learn manual to do automation. Automation is coding. It's a lot of practice, so it takes time. Manual is a lot of art and also practice, just getting used to the terminology, a lot of terminology. Most of the stuff is really for interviews. On the job, who cares about terminology? But for interviews, you do have to know terminology. So that way I see it, you should be learning automation, practicing automation, on the side, spending a little bit of time on manual, because automation takes a lot of time. So I always advise people, don't sit there and just finish all manual stuff, spend a lot of time on manual, then start on automation. No, automation is like a sport. You got to practice. So start as soon as you can with automation, at least with coding. Start learning how to code in Python. That's what I recommend, okay? Take that very strongly. That's my strong opinion. All right, finally, like I said, join the community. Go to supersqa.com/social. You get the link for the Discord invite. Discord is pretty awesome. It's totally free, and it's a private community where we talk and learn from each other. So make sure you join that. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel too, Super SQA, youtube.com, Super SQA. You learn a lot from there. I create a mix of manual and automation, but mostly automation and technical and software engineering type of content on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe there. And as always, ask questions. I'm here to help. I'm here to answer questions. Keep learning, keep upskilling. Whatever field you decide to go to, keep upskilling. That's the number one thing. You you can't stay still. You can't expect things to happen overnight. Just keep growing, and keep growing. That's what we should all do. That's what I try to do myself. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. There is one more video after this. Make sure you check that out. And this is it.